Alright, so we're going to try and find out this last question right here. Suppose the total cost was $180. How many students would be on the trip? Well, remember, we did figure out the cost for 25 students. We just did that, didn't we? So here's a simple way to do it. If you have your input-output chart, remember, one student cost us $80, right? 2 students was $85. Well, I'm going to skip a few, and then I'm just going to write in, well, 25 students cost us $200, right? Well, I can work backwards from that number very easily. Remember, these are going up by 5, or if you want to think the reverse way, if you're going in reverse, then it's getting $5 less. So this would be 24 students, for example. That would be 195, right? And then if you had 23 students, that would be 190. Well, it doesn't really take too much work to figure out if you had $180, how many students would you have? Can you guess it? Well, it would be 4 students less than 25, right? 21. If you had 21 students, we can prove it here. 5 times 21 plus 75, it should equal 180. Well, let's do the math. 5 times 21. Well, let's go 21 times 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Right? $105. Write it directly underneath. And then rewrite the 75, drop it down, and then add them together. You get 180. And I've got my little triangle style. I'm drawing that little triangle in just so you can visualize it. You don't have to do that when you're doing your work like this. Okay? But I did find out that if the cost was 180, there's 21 students, alright? So, it's not that hard to kind of use your pattern rule and the mathematical equation that goes with it. That will help you kind of do a little guessing and testing. Or you can use your chart. If you use your chart, you could extend your chart all the way down until you hit $180, and it would tell you exactly how many students would be there. Okay, so there's kind of two methods. You can use your kind of equation that came from your pattern rule, and that's the method that I prefer because it's a little higher level math, or you can extend your chart. This is the simpler way, and I don't mind if you use that way, but I hope that you'll also try and use the higher level equation method.